Hi, my name is Logan Cathcart. Thank you for taking the time to interview me today.
Hi, my name is Tina Cathcart. Go ahead and have a seat. See that you're applying for the co-op position in research and development at Johnson & Johnson for bioengineering majors.
That's correct.
So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, currently I am a third year going into my fourth year in bioengineering at the University of Toledo. So far, I took a different approach at my classes. So I've completed all of my biology classes as well as my chemical classes and math classes, save one. And I am working on my more engineering-based classes currently, but I'm almost done with those as well. So I think that this co-op would really cut in line with my current class load, starting to learn some work experience in the field while I'm starting to learn about the books and school stuff that comes along with this type of position.
Why did you choose to apply here at Johnson & Johnson? Why do you want to work here?
I chose to apply at Johnson & Johnson because I've looked over all of the things that Johnson & Johnson deals with when it comes to bioengineering, and I'm just really excited and interested in the aspects of Johnson & Johnson's implant technologies that they research and develop. It spans from vision, which I'm interested in, and then goes to trauma implants as well as spinal and brain implants, which is extremely interesting to me.
Okay. So what made you go into bioengineering in the first place?
I chose to go into bioengineering because during school my two favorite subjects were math and science, and I always thought they just made sense and were really interesting. And then when considering that, I was looking at career options, and bioengineering gave me an opportunity to help create or design or come up with products that could help improve the quality of life for others.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
I would say that my greatest strength is punctuality. I'm always on time when I need to be on time for certain um, events, and I'm there early when I need to be to make sure that I can learn if I need to learn about something for the job. I'll get there early to make sure that I can have everything explained to me, or if I need to ask questions, I'll get there early to make sure that I ask questions before it's actually time to start working.
Okay. So how do you handle failure?
I would say that I handle failure with bittersweet attitude. I I don't like to fail, and when I do, it doesn't irritate me, but it bugs me because I feel like I should do better. So when I fail, it drives me to fix those mistakes and make sure that I don't make them again.
Okay. Can you describe your work ethic for me?
I'd say that I have a pretty strong work ethic. I when I'm told that I have a job to do, I make sure that I get it done. And I don't just want to finish the job. I want to make sure that I do it correctly and right in a way that when someone looks at it, they say, the person that did this really tried to make sure that this was the best that it could be.
Okay. What can you contribute to this company if you get this position?
If I were to get this position in research and development team, I feel like I could contribute a new insight, having just come in from school, having just learned some of the newer prospects, and I feel like I could contribute someone new to the team who is just willing to cooperate with others and bounce ideas off of others when needed to, but could also just do what they're told if that's needed.
Okay. Which parts of this job are the most challenging for you, do you think?
I think the parts of this job that are most challenging are the parts where the team has to come up with new ideas on their own without much guidance. Just trying to come up with new, innovative ideas when there's already so much out there. It's hard and it's challenging, but I think in a good team, it's a very achievable process.
What type of work environment do you prefer?
I prefer a cooperative work environment where I know I can rely on my uh, coworkers and can ask them for help or questions when I need to. but can also work at my own pace if necessary.
What do you expect from a supervisor?
From a supervisor, I expect for the basic tasks of the job to be explained, and then as well as certain things that are common mistakes so that way I can avoid them, as well as in the future as I continue to work, explain to me what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong here and there, just to keep in touch with me.
Okay. What kind of technical skills do you have that can help you with this position?
Right now, some of the technical skills I have include um, software skills on the computer, including MATLAB or Minitab, as well as SolidWorks. And that would help me because MATLAB is a basic coding program. So if anything were to need coding, then I could help with basic coding through that. And SolidWorks is a 3D modeling program. So I know how to use that, and that would help with designing and modeling new devices. And then Minitab helps to run statistical analyses. So if we're running any tests on any products, I'll be able to help run tests on those.
Okay. Well, thank you for taking the time to meet with me today, and we'll get back to you.
Thank you for taking the time to meet with me.